XRP holders, I don't know how to say it, but I will try. I'm speechless at the amount of greatness that we're seeing right now. It's happening, everybody. Ripple is not messing around, and people don't get it. Saying you need more XRP is no longer working. Everybody, there won't be XRP left. Financial institutions, banks are going to go and get it. RLUSD, XRP, 99% of you by now already know what happened yesterday. I was busy live and everything. I couldn't make a video. This is the one. Take a look at what's on the screen and you know Ripple applies for US banking license. Moments away from voting on Trump's BBB, beautiful bill. Right now, House is delaying, and unemployment rate doing really nice right now. Jerome Powell not cutting ETFs, zero approved XRP ETFs. There's so much going on, guys, that it's hard to put into words, honestly. Take a look at the price of XRP. Nice recovery. Maybe not the one that you dream of, $3-4, but it's coming, guys. By the end of this video, let's have fun and enjoy really what matters. I've been going all in, period, with the money that I can afford losing, with the money that I can afford buying. That's it. It's simple. But I better do it before we mega breakout. But the next breakout for XRP is going to be historic. It's going to be something that you won't see in movies, guys. I think, honestly, what Brad is saying, and I'll go ahead and take a look at this by now. Some of you already know. We went over it during the live yesterday. It was a 2.5-hour live. What a long one. I had so much fun. Thank you for coming in. Subscribe, you guys, and turn on the notifications. So when I go live, you always come and you get that notification, that alert. Appreciate that. True to our long-standing compliance roots, Ripple is applying for a national bank charter from the OCC. If approved, we will have both state and federal oversight, a new unique benchmark for trust in stablecoin market. Earlier in the week, via standard custody, we applied for a master account. So I'll go over this, but you feel me, guys? We're not messing around. Even if the price of XRP is this, even if you say, no, maybe I think it's going to come down, who cares? Drop it. Go in. Do it. Because 2.5 or 230 or 210 or whatever, it's not going to be for long. People are going to be telling me, hey, when am I supposed to buy XRP? At 3, at 4? And I'll be like, well, we were half of that some weeks, months ago. Triple like fam, consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome. I'm here live, watching, enjoying, and really, honestly, telling you the breaking news because this was yesterday, right? But now we have this, and now we have this. BitMEX becomes the first exchange to accept RLUSD as margin on its derivative trading platform. RLUSD, you know, that's Ripple's stablecoin, right? And also, Justin Suisse, regulated Amina Bank, becomes first bank globally to support Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin, offering custody and trading to institutional clients. This is gold. This is good, guys. If you want to buy some delicious XRP, my recommendation is you do it with me here on BTCC, because once you sign up and you do register, it takes a few seconds. Dude, you don't have to KYC. We have a 500 free giveaway, free XRP giveaway. And these guys have been awesome. I met them in Dubai, met them in Singapore, and they always want the best for their customer base. Click sign up. You have 2 videos where you can watch and see how to do it. And here it is. So my link is down below for you to enjoy. Up to 10,000 welcome bonus, 40% lower trading fees. And believe me, I've used many exchanges, and you want those trading fees to be as low as possible. And you can do up to 500x leverage, which means that even as low as $50, $100, $20 or so, you can do a 500x. And if you're right, you can get a lot of money, right? Now, for those who were watching the markets and we're watching, what the president is doing, we know Jerome Powell, he asked him, or he's saying, resign immediately, right? Resign. I'll show you this. I posted this yesterday on my page. Too late, Jerome Powell should resign immediately. Fed chair should be investigated by Congress. If you remember, just yesterday, articles are coming out that the Fed is needs an investigation for a 2.5 billion renovation project that might be bogus, right? So there's things cooking for him, and they're saying, could the Treasury Secretary, replace Jerome Powell? There's a bunch of things going on there, but just FYI, July, guys. At the end of July, guess what's gonna happen? Oh yeah, this was so good, guys. 1.8 million people seeing it, so much higher, right? And I've said this. Thanks, Brad. XRP reaching $5, not confirmed. I think so, everybody. It's a 2x from here, 470 or so, which let's just round it to $5. I think so. That we're not messing around. I think it's gonna get everything little by little approved. So you don't really want to be behind it, right? We go to the XRP ticker right here. We're gonna see the following. Experts saying buying XRP at $2 today mirrors acquiring Bitcoin at 50, right? Breaking Ripple is going full bank. Bank of Ripple. Bank of Ripple. So what this entails, the following. This access will allow us to hold our USD reserves directly with the Fed and provide an additional layer of security to future-proof trust in our USD. Ripple always has and will continue to build trusted, battle-tested, and secure infrastructure in a $250 billion. That's the stablecoin market. RUSD stands out for putting regulation first, setting the standard that institutions expect. Good stuff. Good stuff. Here, quoted this one, Ripple has applied for a national banking license, joining the rush of cryptocurrency companies. Why? Well, because there's going to be a bunch of companies that want more money, obviously, and they're looking for ways to get those customers, right? Those young customers or anybody who is trying to get into this crypto experience. So not only they're getting a bank license, but they also are getting more partners to make that job much easily. You see that? So overall right now, guys, as far as the price, if we take a look at the week, price of XRP with all the news that we've had, I think we were able, if I delete the Fibonacci, you see how we're following a pattern and we're getting close to breaking once again or trying to touch this 240, which we come back to May, to February, and to January. That's the top that we have seen. I think better things are coming in. I think the time for us to be bullish is now, and that's what I'm telling you. Join me on BTCC, join me on my trading groups, and join me because things are going to change quickly. And I think passing the BBB2, which could happen today. Today's Thursday, right? I was watching the test boat yesterday. It went all the way to, midnight or so. Wow, as we were sleeping here in the U.S., it passed the test boat. So right now, Republicans do have the votes to pass it, but we'll just have to wait. Crazy stuff, but I think that's what we like. So guys, let me know in the comments down below how you're feeling. Of course, this is just great news for everybody holding XRP. I was so happy and excited to, hold my XRP and be a part of the army. If you want to be that 1%, you have to be able to do what the 99 want. And the 99 won't buy until it's too late. And they won't buy until they have a bank. And they won't buy until there's an approved ETF. And they won't buy until there's cuts. And they won't buy until wars are over. And they won't buy until, something exclusively high and powerful happens. And in reality, I think we're buying before those things because that's really how wealth is made, during the pain and the struggle. And that's what I believe. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Really good news for XRP holders. We're making it happen. Peace.